How do you measure a decade? Is it in years, months, or weeks? At EigenRisk, a decade is measured by the businesses empowered, catastrophes overcome, assets, people, and revenue protected through our actionable analytics platform amidst the evolving catastrophe landscape. In the past decade, we've grown from a startup to a global leader in catastrophe risk management. Through EigenPrism, we've simplified complex analytics and risk modeling by translating it into actionable insights. We've delivered results that have helped businesses navigate uncertainties with confidence and clarity. But we didn't come this far only to come this far. In the next decade, our mission is to make better sense of natural disasters and climate change, further empowering businesses to confront catastrophes head-on by providing timely, actionable insights. We aim to speed up business decisions and reduce news cycle-induced anxiety. Join us in building a resilient future together.